How to file a tax extension using H&R Block Online. Let's get started. First, navigate to the website of H&R Block, provide your credentials and log in to your account. Navigate to the extension section. From the main dashboard, select the option to file an extension. This is often labeled as file an extension or can be found under the tax tools or other action section. If you are already in the process of preparing your return, you can switch to filing an extension in the same session. H&R Block will guide you through completing IRS Form 4868, the form required to request an automatic tax filing extension. Provide your basic personal information such as your name, social security number, and address. Estimate your total tax liability for the year. If you have already entered some information for your tax return, H&R Block will use that data to help estimate your liability. Enter the amount of tax you have already paid. Calculate the balance due. Once Form 4868 is complete, review the information for accuracy. Submit the extension request electronically through H&R Block. H&R Block will e-file your extension directly with the IRS. If you owe taxes, H&R Block will give you the option to make a payment directly to the IRS. You can pay using a credit, debit, or bank transfer. Remember, an extension gives you more time to file your return, but not more time to pay your taxes. To avoid penalties and interest, pay any amount owed by the April deadline. After submitting, H&R Block will confirm whether the IRS has accepted your extension. Keep a copy of your confirmation for your records. With your extension granted, you now have until October 15 to file your return. Use H&R Block Online to complete and file your taxes before the extended deadline to avoid penalties. By following these steps, you can easily file your tax extension using H&R Block Online, ensuring more time to prepare your return without penalties for late filing. If this guide helped you, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.